Hey there, and welcome back to the ABC Trainerize YouTube channel. If you're currently a personal trainer or considering getting into the fitness industry and looking for some help to understand how much money you could earn in this career path, you've come to the right place. It's especially common when starting your career as a fitness professional to wonder, where do I even start? How much will I be making? For personal trainers, determining income goes beyond a simple salary range. You have to consider factors such as certifications, where you'll be training, and payment structures, as this can all impact your earnings. So whether you're starting from scratch or already an established trainer, today I'm going to teach you about how to structure your pay and what you may be able to expect to earn in your career as a trainer. So first things first, there are 3 different types of pay structure for personal trainers and coaches. Number 1 is a gym or studio salary. If you want to work for a gym, typically you will have a set annual salary, set hours, and train within a certain location. According to talent.com, personal trainers in Canada earn anywhere between $39,975 and $78,000 for an average annual salary of about $52,650. Meanwhile, salary.com reports a median of $64,100 in the United States, ranging from $31,713 to $92,082. Now, obviously that's a huge range, which just goes to show that there is a lot of contrast in pay depending on which gym or studio you work for. When establishing the hourly rate to compare to a personal trainer's salary, consider an 8-hour day with paid time off. So let's break down the math. The average gym trainer salary in Canada is about $52,650. So if you divide $52,650 divided by 52 weeks, divided by 5 days, divided by 8 billable hours, that equals about $25 an hour. Average gym trainer salary in the United States is $64,100. So if you take $64,100, divide that by 52 weeks, divided by 5 days, divided by 8 billable hours, that equals about $30 an hour. Of course, what you can earn as a gym or studio trainer will vary greatly between fitness companies. So number 2, independent trainer, private in-person coaching salary. As an independent coach, you'll have your own clients and you're essentially running your own personal training business. You're free to set your own hourly rate and control how many clients you take on. For independent trainers, hourly rates tend to range anywhere from about $50 to $100 an hour in North America. But of course, there are plenty who charge outside of that range too. If you are an independent personal trainer, you can also create a rough estimate of your yearly salary by doing some quick math. So first, let's assume you have 4 weeks off per year and about 5 training hours per day. Don't forget about those non-billable work hours too. So marketing yourself, running your business, taking training, and implementing tools and systems when outlining how many hours you can bill in a day. Now, let's calculate the math on a few different scenarios. So one independent training salary at about $50 an hour. So $50 times 5 billable hours times 5 days times 48 weeks equals $60,000 salary. Independent training salary at $75 an hour. So 75 times 5 billable hours times 5 days times 48 weeks equals a $90,000 salary. Independent training salary at $100 an hour, so 100 times 5 billable hours times 5 days times 48 weeks equals $120,000 salary. Here, how many hours you bill and how much time you take off work will impact how much you earn as a salary. Of course, your business expenses will come out of your salary, so make sure you're keeping that in mind because your net revenue will be lower than those totals. So number 3, hybrid or online training salary. As a hybrid trainer, you would do a mix of in-person sessions and provide clients with online workout programs to train independently part of the time. Or an online-only trainer, where you would only work with clients virtually. Earnings here will completely vary depending on how you set up your business and how you spend your time. Typically, trainers use a combination of services to earn their revenue. Some online or hybrid monthly memberships, which range from about $20 a month to $2,000 a month or more, depending on the offering. They may also offer some hourly sessions, so $50 to $100 an hour, similar to in-person sessions, and offer add-ons such as messaging, group support, nutrition coaching, habit coaching, and other services, which would be priced individually. This approach works great in Trainerize Pay because you can sell multiple products to clients and layer them. The combination of income is up to the trainer. But keep in mind that according to a 2022 survey conducted by the PTDC, Of the personal trainers who earned over $100,000, 86% of them were training online. And further, online trainers with over 100 clients earn an average of $127,613 per year. That's the power of scaling your business. Of course, for both independent in-person trainers and hybrid online trainers, there are business costs to consider. So things like software, outsourced labor, brand and marketing costs, gym and equipment fees will count against your total revenue. One other thing to consider if you're starting from scratch is the important business of getting certified, which leads to our next section, your initial investment. In order to become a personal trainer, if you're not already, you'll have to get certified. For more personal training certifications, you'll need your high school diploma or GED, so start there. Then you may want to consider a 4-year bachelor's degree in either exercise science, kinesiology, or physical health education. But this is not a requirement. For safety purposes, you'll want first aid, CPR, and AED certifications, and then you'll want to choose a personal trainer certification course and exam. Depending on which route you'll take, this will come with initial expenses and fees. But as they say, you got to spend money to make money. In conclusion, how much will you make? Overall, you should expect that with more experience will come higher pay, and the more you streamline and automate your business, the more you'll earn. By using a platform like ABC Trainerize, you have the ability to train 50 clients online or hybrid instead of just 15 in person. That will always impact your earning potential. In summary, these numbers are general from both Trainerize data and third-party data, but every region and specialty is different. If you want to get started in the online training space, check out ABC Trainerize to start your free trial or watch some of our other videos about online training to learn more. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.